Hello, this is our very last ELA mini lesson video for the year. We are all so proud of your hard work, and we're sad that we weren't able to come back and see each other in person, be together as a school and grade, but we are very proud of your hard work. So this is a video for Monday, June 22nd through Friday, June 26th. This is ELA mini lesson number 47. The key question that we're going to be working to answer this week is how are the characters and setting connected in a story? The characters and setting are two story elements, and an author picks these things carefully when writing a story. And a setting can often create hardships or problems for the characters. So in our text this week, we're going to see some unusual settings that will have an effect on the characters. It might cause them some problems or cause certain events to happen. Our learning target is I can identify details in a text that answer a key question, and I can make text-to-text connections to answer a key question. The four unusual settings that we're going to be seeing through our passages this week are a town that has talking plants, a village that's located inside a cavern, which is a very large cave, a place where it has rained every day for 5 years, and also it happens to be someone's birthday. It's a time setting in that story, and a world that's covered in ice. Let's review some vocabulary that we're going to see in these passages today. Frozen. Something is frozen, it's changed from a liquid to a solid. That's a result of very cold temperatures. A greenhouse. A greenhouse is a structure that's often made from glass or plastic that's used to grow plants that need heat, light, and protection from harsh weather. So the greenhouse helps plants get all of the things that they need while they're growing inside. Soggy. Something is soggy, it's soaked with liquid, it's very heavy and moist. Solution. The correct answer to a question, problem, or puzzle. Something that solves a problem or difficulty. Submarine. A type of watercraft that can operate underwater. Tunnel. An underground passage. Let's take a peek at the directions for the week. So here are the directions for week of June 22nd through June 26th. So the first thing, watch the mini lesson, which you're doing right now. Here are the directions for your writing assignment. Remember, your key question is, how are the characters and setting connected in a story? So for your work, you'll read the key question, then read the passage for the day. Look for details in the story that help you answer the key question. Circle or underline that information. Then look back at the story and add those details to the story map. You'll see the story map on the writing page for this week. On Friday, you'll look at all of the texts and the charts that you completed from Monday to Thursday. Compare the information and think about these questions. How does the setting affect the characters in all of the stories? How do the characters deal with problems where they live? And you'll write your paragraph to answer the question. How are the characters and setting connected in a story? You'll be able to answer this question using examples from the four passages. Don't forget to read for at least 30 minutes every day. In your packet, you also have a story elements anchor chart, right? These are the pieces or parts that make up the story. Every single piece of the puzzle is important. You need the characters, the people or animals who are important to the story, the setting, the time and location where a story takes place, the problem, the main issue, struggle, or conflict that the main characters are up against, the key events, the important events or actions that occur during the story, and the solution, the way the characters solve the problem. This week we're really focusing on how the setting and characters are connected. How do the characters think, feel, or act as a result of the time and location that the story is taking place. Our first passage for the week for Monday is plant problems. The second passage for Tuesday is called flashlight fears. The passage for Wednesday is birthday wishes. The passage for Thursday is water in an icy world. Don't forget, while you're reading and finding those details that answer the key question, you can mark up these texts. You should mark up the texts. So this is what your writing page looks like for the week. You've got 4 boxes to record those details. Remember, this is a graphic organizer, so you just need to use notes. You don't need to write complete sentences. If you run out of space in the little boxes, write off to the side and draw an arrow. On the bottom, you have a space to write your paragraph. So again, think about how the setting affects the characters in all of the stories. How do the characters deal with the problems where they live? And you'll write a paragraph to answer the question. How are the characters and setting connected in the story? Remember to include a topic sentence that tells what your paragraph is about. You can practice PQA by putting the question in your answer. How are the characters and setting connected in the story can turn into a topic sentence. The characters and setting are connected in the story because you can go ahead and finish that sentence based on what you learned while reading the passages this week. Don't forget to include 2 to 3 detailed sentences, and those can be examples from the passages. What do the characters say, do, or think as a result of the setting? And finally, a closing sentence to restate your topic. Remember, your closing sentence should be different from your topic sentence. It should contain the same ideas, but using different words.